Look at your vanity table right now. Vitamin C serums, retinol creams, collagen masks. How much money is sitting there? Hundreds, maybe thousands of dollars? But ask yourself, why does your skin still lack true radiance? Why does melasma keep returning, and why do fine lines keep appearing? Here is the truth the beauty industry doesn't want you to focus on. Your skin is a mirror of your internal organs, not a wall to be painted over. Most topical cosmetics only affect the epidermis, the outermost layer, which makes up less than 10% of your skin structure. The other 90%, the dermis, where elasticity, hydration, and youth are actually determined, lies deep beneath the surface. And no topical cream can penetrate there as effectively as your bloodstream can. Today, I want to introduce you to a form of edible skincare, something that isn't sold at the beauty counter, but is hidden in the grocery aisle, disguised as a snack. It is raw cacao. But forget the sugary candy bars. We are talking about the cacao polyphenol complex, a biological skin restructuring therapy capable of replacing half of your morning skincare routine. If you are looking for ageless skin, the key isn't in a bottle, it's in this cup. Let's talk about your skin's #1 enemy, photoaging. 80% of the wrinkles and dark spots on your face aren't caused by age, they're caused by UV rays. We wear sunscreen, yes, but sunscreen can rub off, oxidize, or be applied too thinly. You need a second layer of defense from the inside out. This is where cacao exerts its power. Raw cacao contains the highest concentration of flavanols, specifically epicatechin, in the plant world, 15 times more than red wine and 5 times more than green tea. Look at a landmark double-blind study from Germany. A group of women who consumed high-flavanol cacao for 12 weeks doubled their MED, minimal erythema dose. What does this mean? It means their skin required twice the amount of UV radiation to burn compared to before. In other words, cacao turned their skin into a biological shield, neutralizing free radicals generated by the sun before they could destroy your collagen. If a vitamin C serum helps brighten skin from the outside but oxidizes easily, cacao is a sustainable source of antioxidants from the inside, continuously pumped to your skin via the bloodstream 24/7, even while you sleep. Have you ever wondered why your skin looks beautiful and rosy after a workout? That is the power of blood flow, and cacao is a workout for your blood vessels without you having to run a mile. The problem with dull skin isn't that you're tanned, it's that you're oxygen deprived. As we age and stress, the tiny capillaries under our skin constrict, making the complexion look gray and lifeless. Cacao contains theobromine and flavanols, which stimulate the body to produce nitric oxide. This molecule commands those tiny subdermal capillaries to relax and dilate. Imagine your skin as a garden. If the hose is clogged, the plants will wither no matter how much fertilizer, cream, you apply. Cacao unblocks the hose. It pumps fresh oxygen, hydration, and nutrients to every single skin cell. The result? Deep hydration. Your skin holds water better from the inside, reducing flakiness. Skin density. The skin becomes thicker and plumper. The glow. This is the true glass skin effect. It's not an oily sheen on the surface, it's the reflection of light from healthy, oxygenated skin. No foundation or highlighter can mimic the natural pink flush of oxygenated skin. We often hear ads for drinking collagen, but protecting the collagen you already have is 10 times more important than ingesting more. And the most terrifying destroyer of collagen is stress. When you're stressed, your body releases cortisol. Cortisol is a catabolic hormone. It literally eats protein to create energy, and collagen is a protein. The more stress you have, the faster your skin sags and thins. This is called stress aging. How does cacao intervene? It contains compounds that help lower cortisol levels and boost anandamide, the bliss molecule. By keeping the mind calm, cacao indirectly protects your collagen reserves from being corroded. Furthermore, raw cacao is the richest plant source of magnesium. Magnesium is the golden mineral for reducing inflammation. Cystic acne, inflammatory acne, and rosacea are often signs of systemic inflammation. Magnesium helps soothe these inflammatory responses at the cellular level. Think of cacao as a bodyguard for their collagen. Drinking collagen without controlling stress is like pouring water into a leaking bucket. Cacao helps plug that leak. Hearing this, you might want to run to the supermarket and buy a bag of cocoa powder, but stop. If you choose the wrong one, you won't get beautiful. You'll be feeding yourself toxins. To use cacao for beauty, you must be extremely picky. Trap number 1, the Dutch process, or alkalized cacao. To make cocoa powder less acidic and give it a dark, beautiful color, like an Oreo cookie, manufacturers wash the beans with an alkaline solution. This process kills 60 to 90% of the flavanols. If you drink this, you are just drinking food coloring and flavoring. No sun protection, no microcirculation. Signs: the powder is dark brown or jet black. The taste is flat, not acidic. What you need is raw cacao or non-alkalized. The powder should be a light reddish brown with a slightly acidic and complex bitter taste. Trap number 2, heavy metals or cadmium. The cacao tree absorbs cadmium from the soil very aggressively. Cadmium accumulates in the kidneys and dulls the skin. Choose brands that have lab-tested certifications for heavy metals and prioritize origins from West Africa or regions with controlled soil quality. Finally, I will give you the beauty elixir recipe I use every morning to replace coffee. This formula is optimized specifically for skin. 15 grams of raw cacao powder, providing about 300 to 400 milligrams of flavanols. 1 tablespoon hydrolyzed collagen, optional. Cacao protects the collagen, and this powder provides the building blocks, a perfect duo. Healthy fat, coconut oil or plant butter. The vitamin E in coconut oil combined with flavanols increases absorption and moisturizes your skin from within. Hot water at 80 degrees Celsius, 175 degrees Fahrenheit. Do not use boiling water to preserve the vitamins. Absolutely no cow's milk. Cow's milk causes inflammation, a cause of acne, and blocks antioxidant absorption. Use almond milk or macadamia milk instead. Conclusion: the most beautiful skin doesn't come from covering up imperfections. It comes from cellular vitality. Cacao isn't an overnight miracle, but it is the most loyal companion you'll find. After 4 weeks, when you look in the mirror and see a natural rosy glow on your cheeks and see your skin plump even without moisturizer, you will understand the power of internal skincare. Start your new beauty ritual today.